This is BirdNote. Why do so many species of birds choose the northern Great Plains to raise their young? Like the lark bunting, Sprague's pipit, the chestnut-collared longspur, or Baird's sparrow. After months of frigid cold and snow, warm spring days spur vigorous plant growth across the prairies of Montana, the Dakotas, and southern Canada. These grassland habitats are flush with insects that birds capture easily from the fresh grasses and wildflowers. The open plains are ideal breeding areas for grouse and shorebirds whose active offspring must forage for themselves while their parents guard them, like these upland sandpipers. Migratory birds connect the northern Great Plains with many parts of the Western Hemisphere. Sprague's pipit and chestnut-collared longspurs, for example, winter in central Mexico. And those upland sandpipers fly thousands of miles to the pampas of Argentina and Uruguay. Disrupting any part of a bird's annual life cycle, at their breeding habitats, migration stopover sites, or wintering grounds, reduces the survival of the species. We can help these migratory marvels thrive by conserving the rich grasslands they depend on to survive. For BirdNote, I'm Ariana Rimmel.